In today's video, we got this Sharp Carousel 2, aka the half pint. This is like a half a microwave. This thing's pretty cool looking. Got the spinner thing, don't need that. Now this is pretty old. I'm hoping it's got a copper transformer in it. All the newer ones, they're all aluminum. See, August 1991. I was 9 years old. So this has got to have some copper in it. Let's hope. So we'll rip this apart and let's see what's inside of it. We'll start with getting the cord out of the way. Not too hard. Pull off the shell. What's nice is none of these are those security Torx bits. But back in '91, they'd let you fix your own stuff. That's why they put those Torx on there so you can't open it up. I'll get this off just. Oh, that's a Torx. I guess they don't want you changing the plug. Fire hazard. Oh wow, everything's on the top. All right, that looks like it's copper for sure, just from doing thousands of microwaves. And there's the Magnetron. I'll tell you right now, I am not taking it out to get that copper out of there, because some people say that's beryllium, some say it's not. I'm not chancing getting cancer for 5 cents. You know what I mean? Before I cut the wire out, I think I can get this fan out of the way. So let's unscrew that. Man, this is really in there. Really made stuff better back in the day. There we go. Jeez. All right, there's our little rinky-dink fan motor. Let's get out this wire. There's our little bit of wire. Not bad. Next, I'll show you how far I get with the Magnetrons when I do this. This is all I do. I just clipped out this copper and I call it quits. Like I said, I'm not messing with that ceramic death pill right there. So we'll get out this Magnetron, or transformer, beg my pardon. Alright, that's all pretty much shred steel now. Alright, let's check this. Oh, the screw on the ground. Yep, that's copper. Yep, that's copper too. So let's break this open. Well, before we do the transformer, let's get this fan off of here. Wow, usually everything just pops right off of these things. That's not today. Too bad everything wasn't built in the 90s. Now it's all garbage. There we go. Just a little bit of copper on there. Alrighty, let's go smash this open. So here's our transformer. Just gonna split it on the weld. Last time I made a video about with these transformers from hitting it, I got a copyright saying I was using the Jingle Bells song. So let's see if that happens again. Yeah, wear gloves if you do this. I don't know why I'm not. Maybe it's because I'm a seasoned veteran. All right. Oops. Well, we'll just call that clean enough for the video. So there's our copper, a little bit of wire. So here we are after our extremely quick breakdown. Here's our shred steel. There's our steel from our transformer. Now there's a little turntable motor in there. Those ain't worth really, but if you want to take it out, take it apart, go for it. Here's our insulated wire. There's our fan motor. There's our copper we took out of the Magnetron. Like I said, this is as far as I'm going with those things. And here's our coils out of the microwave, or out of the transformer's microwave. Maybe 1.5 pounds. And if you're really concerned, there's some plastic. But there you all go. Sharp Carousel 2 half pint.